The Indian television industry has made its way into every single household of India today. It has become indispensable among families of every caste, culture, religion, or region. But almost all serials have somehow slipped into a narrow scope of creativity with Saas Bahu and family drama. And only one in this list is a sitcom. Today at Simply Curious, let's check out which is the top serial and what is that sitcom if you haven't already guessed what it could be. Before we get on to the list, this is based on the 1st of June 2021 and we are talking about the longest running serials based on episode count and not years on air. So CID fans, really sorry. Let's get on with the Missed by That Much segment first. This is a list of series which missed out on the top 10 by a whisker. Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki, 1661 episodes. Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi, 1833 episodes. Kumkum Bhagya, 1845 episodes. Ye Hai Mohabbatein, 1895 episodes. Number 10, Valli. Valli is an Indian Tamil language soap opera that premiered on Sun TV. It finished its run in 2019 after it started in 2012, but not before becoming the longest running Tamil soap opera ever with 1961 episodes. Number 9, Sasural Simar Ka. What started off as a normal family drama, Sasural Simar Ka had taken so many twists and turns. Some of them are supernatural, and though it completely goes astray with the genre, people still continue to give patronage to this Colors series. The episode count is at 2063 episodes. Number 8, Saath Nibhana Saathiya. Saath Nibhana Saathiya is an Indian drama television series produced by Rashmi Sharma under Rashmi Sharma Telefilms. This family drama finished its run in 2017 on Star Plus, but a sequel to the show has started airing from October 2020. The total episodes is at 2,184. A continuation series is also in the talks right now with a similar cast on Star Bharat. So let's see. Number 7, Balika Vadhu. This show started off with tremendous attention from the audiences as it threw light on a major social issue that continues to be prevalent in many parts of India, that is child marriage. Soon it became the usual Saas Bahu drama, but it did really try hard to be realistic, true to its settings. Balika Vadhu completed 2,248 episodes. Number 6, Manasu Mamata. This ETV Telugu soap, which is still going strong, is aired at 7:30 p.m. from Monday to Saturday. The pilot episode was aired in 2011 and till date they have finished 2,748 episodes. Number 5, Char Divas Sasuche. From 2001 to 2013, this Marathi soap opera aired on ETV Marathi and went on to finish 3,147 episodes. It is still sitting strong as one of the longest running Marathi soap operas ever. It did have the record for the most number of episodes for quite some time, but right now sits at the 5th position. Number 4, Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Next comes the sitcom Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, which started on Sony Sub and has been garnering record viewership from the very first year. It is the longest running Indian sitcom with 3,176 episodes. Number 3, Aada De Adharam. Aada De Adharam is a Telugu soap opera which started airing from 2009 and ended its run in 2020 after completing 3,329 episodes. The series is about women empowerment and how it is difficult for a woman to succeed in this society. Number 2, Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai. Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai is a Hindi soap opera which started airing in 2009 and is a typical Hindi serial drama showcasing the Saas Bahu relationship in most Indian households. The first episode aired in January 2009 on Star Plus. Akshara and Naitik are the main characters who play the role of a married couple sailing through the ups and downs of married life in a joint Marwadi family, going hand in hand. This series has crossed 3,395 episodes and is still going strong. Number 1, Abhishekam. Abhishekam, a Telugu soap opera, started airing on ETV in 2008 and has crossed 3,728 episodes as of now. And it is still growing strong. Abhishekam is a story of family relationships and human values. It airs from Monday to Saturday during the afternoons and is the longest running Indian television soap opera. We hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, then show us your love by pressing the like button, the share button, and of course, do subscribe to Simply Curious for more amazing and interesting videos. If we did miss out on any series, do let us know in the comment section below.